gotta go and get angry at all of my honesty. You know I try, but I don't do too well with apologies. I hope I don't run out of time.
There was a time when I was alone, nowhere to go and no place to call home. My only friend was the man in the mood, and even sometimes he would go away too.
What you want to do is add the whole container of glue into the bowl.
Close my eyes, I saw a shadow flying high. He came to me with the sweetest smile, told me he wanted to talk for a while. He said, Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll
Next, you're going to add half a cup of water into the bowl. Now you're going to take a few teaspoons, little by little, of laundry detergent and place it into your bowl, and you're going to start to see the slime form. But at the end of the video, I end up using about 1/4 of a cup or even half of a cup of laundry detergent. So just use as much as you need.
On the run from Captain Hook, run, run, lost boy, they say to me, away from all of reality. Neverland is home to lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free. Neverland is home.
As you can see, I'm just adding a little bit more of laundry detergent as I said before, and you will keep using laundry detergent to make the slime.
To believe in him and believe in me. Together we will fly away in a cloud of.
Now you're going to get your glitter, and you're going to end up using a lot of glitter because you can barely see it, but you can add as much as you want based on the way you like it.
Soon enough we reach Neverland. Peacefully my feet hit the sand, and ever since that day I am a lost boy from Neverland, usually hanging out with Peter Pan, and when we're bored we play in the woods.
As you're about to see, it gets really sticky, so what I did is I let it sit for about an hour, and then you'll see in the next clip how it came out.